Assalamualaikum, we are from section 4 and now we will be presenting about our data communication and networking project. Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohamad and now I'll be talking about the introduction of our project. So, for the overall project objective, we will provide a network service for the company that is called the Tech Solution Inc. Which in this slide we will discuss about the network infrastructures that are needed in the company. 4 steps will be done to fully complete the objective. That is, first, analysis, design, implementing all of the things that we have discussed about, and then also testing for the network infrastructure to see if it works correctly and efficiently. All of these steps are needed to be done to ensure the successful network infrastructure for the company.
Next, I will be presenting about the flow network of this project. The data between the branch and headquarters flows through the ISR 4331 router 0 and 2811 router 1 via the one link. Within the branch, data flows through the ISR 4331 router 0 to the respective switches and connected devices. Within the headquarters, data flow through the 2811 router 1 to the respective switches and connected devices. This setup allows for segregated network traffic within different VLANs for security and management purposes, ensuring that specific type of traffic, which is user, server and management, are isolated from one another while still being able to communicate through decentral routers.
Next is one connectivity that involved in our project. Wide area network, that also known as WAN, is a network that exists over a large-scale geographical area. A connect different smaller network, including local area network (LAN). In this project, we include two WAN connectivity. The first one is on the branch side, which merge the server LAN and user LAN, and it manages the branch connectivity that is connected to the same switch by both LAN department and using the router as the manager. The another one is on the headquarters side. This one connectivity is quite similar to the branch side and has one additional LAN, which the management side department. The most important thing in this connectivity for both sides is the default gateway address that used to route traffic from a local network to other network or by using the internet. In this project, each LAN has its own unique default gateway address to enable the WAN navigation seamlessly. Then, we connect the both connectivity by connecting the router on the headquarters side and branch side by using a serial DCE wire and following the router routing protocol using the static routing protocol. After that, this command prompt was the testing result that we made on the device located at the branch side toward the device at the headquarters that shows zero loss and indicate the connection was successful.
Next, I would like to explain about the VLAN that used for this company. First and foremost, the network has two main locations, which is branch office and headquarters. At the branch office, the user VLAN 10, has one PC that will connected to switch 0, linked to the router. The server VLAN 20, has one PC and FTP server that will connected to switch 1, also linked to the router. Furthermore, at the headquarters, the server VLAN 20, includes an HTTP server, DNS server, mail server, and one PC. All devices will connected to the switch 2, which is linked to the router. The user VLAN 10, has one PC that will connected to switch 3, linked to the router. The management VLAN 50, also has one PC that connected to switch 4, also linked to the router. Communication between the branch office and headquarters is via primary red line and backup black-9. Between these two routers, it will ensuring redundancy and reliability.
Next, let's move to our DNS configuration setup. For the network setup, we configured the DNS server with the IP address 192.168.30.2, On this server, we created a DNS resource record for the domain name tatsolution.com. This record ensures that the DNS server translates the domain name into the corresponding IP address. To test the configuration, we use a PC with the IP address 192.168.40.1. By entering tatsolution.com into the browser, the website loaded successfully, confirming that the DNS server is correctly resolving the domain name to its IP address. Additionally, we use simple PDU methods to test connectivity between PCs and the DNS server. Every PC was able to send and receive PDU message to and from the DNS server without any issues, indicating that the network is fully operational and there is no connectivity problem. In conclusion, the DNS server setup is complete and operational, providing efficient domain name resolution within our network. This setup demonstrates the importance of DNS server in managing and simplifying network communication.
The FTP server in the branch network is connected to switch 1, which aggregates traffic from devices in both VLAN 20 and VLAN 10. Within the branch, devices such as PC in VLAN 20 can directly access the FTP server for file transfers. Inter-branch communication is facilitated by the ISR 4331 router, which enable the FTP server to be accessed by device at the HQ. This inter-network connection is routed through router 0, which is branch router, and router 1, which is HQ router. The FTP server provides file transfer protocol service, allowing user to upload and download files. It is primarily used for hosting files and need to be accessed or transferred within the organization, ensuring efficient file management and sharing across different network segments.
Next, HTTP server feature on Kisco device allow you to manage and configure the device using web browser interface. This is built-in functionally provided by Kisco iOS, which simplify the management of network device by providing a graphical user interface GUI for various configuration tasks. In HTTP server inside Kisco, we were able to see the file name that already exists on the data. To check the output, we can use any PC within the line to see the website. As example here, the output show what are being created inside image page.
Without further ado, I will explain in detail about the mail servers that is used in server 4 in our project. So basically, mail servers deliver email messages between mail clients by using email protocols, which tell the server how to process incoming requests, where to forward the messages, and how to deliver them to the intended mail client. When you send an email, it goes through a series of servers to reach its final destination. On top of that, a mail server can also encrypt the transfer of emails, so nobody can gain access to the information in your personal email inbox. For example, in our project, like the figure above, there are two emails, which is Hey and Carl. So when Carl send messages to Hey, and Hey will receive the message from Carl.
In conclusion, our project successfully designed, implemented, and tested a comprehensive network infrastructure tailored to a company needs, incorporating multiple LANs, FTP, HTTP, DNS, and mail servers.